Whoa. Blam! What's that? That's fighting hard. Whoa, that's a big shell cracker. Look at that. El Monstro. Oh, man, these are some big shell crackers. Alright, turn around there. Let's get a look at you. Yeah.
Now, as we promised, we'll show you a little bit of the feeding time. They're big and they're aggressive. They hit anything as soon as it hits the water. As long as it's edible and they can get it in their mouth. Even stuff they can't get in their mouth, they'll drag down and rip to pieces. Well, thanks for watching. So would you want to fish here? Probably be an instant hookup. Anything you threw out there that they could fit in their mouths and they like to eat.